Some updates from Iris Elements. Just a whiz through really what's happened over the last 12 months or so with the product and really what they're trying to do. And this really struck me because, which I thought was quite amusing from Iris, which was they have one goal, which is to make life easier for you. And in the last year, our product teams have delivered. Frankly, Iris, I've tried to play around with the Elements platform a few times this previous year in 2025, and you are not making accountants' lives easier. That is for sure. Your product teams need to do better. I guess essentially what they've been racking up is a whole bunch of AI stuff. Not too surprising, everyone's doing that, so that's table stakes nowadays. But I guess the key things for them was that they managed to launch their proper products for tax and accounts production, which are effectively going to be replacing the desktop products that are in the old Iris suite. And they were very much fundamentally needed because their competitors are all moving in the same direction, and having that baked into the Elements platform is needed. They then also added to or increased and improved elements of client privacy when you're navigating around the product, the ability to produce farm accounts. God only knows why people favor farm accounts as a format of functionality that needs to be built into an early stage accounts production system. Like, Jesus Christ, there are other products and other things that you could build earlier than farm freaking formats.
There's a lot of farmers out there. Stop picking on the farmers. They've been picked on by the government. Stop picking on them, John.
And then the ability to do bulk online filing was also added. And then essentially what they're hoping to, or have been working on building it in the latter part of the year, was a whole bunch of stuff for larger firms. They have said top tier enterprise, but that's not even close because they've only added FRS 102 stuff and some IFRS stuff in the latter stages. But to be fair to them, they are the only platform that does offer IFRS fully in the cloud, aside from Caseware. So they don't have a huge amount of competition there. Sage, Digita, Silverfin, everyone else that's in this kind of game are all way behind on that. They did also latterly add in FRS 101 and IXBRL filing, which again is all required, especially as we start to move to digital filing requirements later this year as well, which is going to have a significant impact. All in all, they're ready for MTD, they're ready for the AI transition, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff that we're expecting to see. They're going to be building out some more functionality for MTD, some more accounts production functionality, which is going to be needed, and the ability to do tax anomaly detection, whatever that means in the product. So it'll be interesting to see how that works, because tax anomaly detection could be VAT, it could be income tax, it could be corporation tax, it could be linked to the accounts, it could be not linked to the accounts. There's a plethora of stuff that goes into that.
Do you remember our buddy Todd?
Yes.
Yeah. The trial. Didn't Iris do the trial with that software to find tax anomaly detection? So it just basically shows you what was there last year, what's there this year, and then says this one's not matching up, or this looks a little bit sus.
If I remember rightly, and I could be wrong on this, but I mean, I have been speaking to Nick Stubbs fairly recently because he's relaunched the product to replace the tax on demand. Yeah, they were definitely talking to the likes of CCH and Iris and everyone else, build their product into their platforms to enable you to do that. And I guess that's the challenge, but also the opportunity for a lot of these products to move into.